Radius of a parallel of latitude. Here, I want to talk about the relationship between the radius of a parallel of latitude, which is the small r, and the radius of the Earth, which is the capital R. Now, let's assume this is the shape of the Earth's surface. This is the axis of the Earth's surface. And this is the equator of the Earth's surface. This is north, this is south, this is east. Now let's assume we have a latitude north. Let's use that of the north. We have latitude north. Latitude north. This latitude, let's say the latitude theta. Latitude theta degree. Theta degree. So this is the center. Let's assume this is the center of the what? Of the latitude. In the center of the latitude, let's assume we have a longitude here. We also have a longitude. So you can see this is the radius. This one is the radius. Sorry, from here to here. Radius of the latitude. So let's say on P. Then this is the center of the Earth's surface. Which is what? Is 0. Center of the Earth's surface, which is 0. Then let's assume we have another thing here. Point on the Earth's surface. On the equator E. That we have this. So you can see we have something like this. We have something like this. So if this is theta, this is also theta. So for layman, we can have it like this. Can have it like this. So that this is C, this one. This is P. This one. This is 0, center of the Earth. And what of this? This is E. E. So if you are saying this is theta, alternate angle, this is also theta. Meaning that OPC or COP is equals to EOP. That's alternate segments. Alternate angle. So can I say in triangle CPO or OPC? CPO. You can see it's a right angle triangle. You see? This is right angle here. So that is we have the triangle like this. C 90 0 theta P, and this is small r. Can you see? This is small r. This is capital R. So this is small r. This is capital R. This is small r. This is capital R. So from here, we can have something like this. In that triangle, you can say cos theta equals to what? Adjacent over what? Hypotenuse. Adjacent over hypo. Adjacent over hypo. And what's the adjacent? Adjacent is small r. This is the opposite. This is the adjacent, and this is the hypotenuse. Small r over hypotenuse. The line facing the right angle. The line facing the right angle. When you see it, the line facing the right angle, which is what? Capital R. So that means cos theta is equals to small r over capital R. So by cross multiplication, R equals to capital R cos theta. That is the radius of the latitude. Parallel of latitude. Radius of a parallel of latitude is equals to the radius of the Earth cos theta. But this theta is not the longitudinal distance. It's not the distance angle that we are using before. This is known as what? The angle of the parallels of latitude. Theta. This theta is angle of a parallel of latitude. So where theta, the theta can only be what? Theta can only be north degree or south degree. So theta north or theta south. That is, we are dealing with only the latitude. This angle is only the latitude. Cos theta. Cos theta. This theta is referring to what? Latitude north or what? Latitude south. So this relationship between the radius of a parallel of latitude and that of the what? The radius of the Earth's surface, which is radius of parallel of latitude, which is small r, equals to capital R, which is the radius of the Earth, cos theta. And that theta is what? Angle of the latitude, north or south. Thank you.